If you're going to 3D print something off Thingiverse, the first thing you're going to do is head to Thingiverse.com. So Thingiverse.com. Once you're there, oh, it's taking me automatically to something. This is the handle that I put onto my Yeti. If you want to do something else, like maybe you want a phone case, so if you go to iPhone 6 case, for example, you could type that in, hit enter. You can then look at the different cases they have. You could find something else. Maybe we just want this case right here. It looks like a tree. So I click on it. I can decide if this is what I want. I can then hit download all files. The file then downloads over here. I click on it. Oh, still got 6 seconds left. So once the files download, you'll click on them, and here are the files. So you click on that, double click on the iPhone 6 case that you had. It will then automatically open up Kira. Once it's in Kira, you're going to be able to save it to your removable disk. Sometimes it takes a couple minutes, or not a minute, but 35, 40 seconds for Kira to open. So I'm going to pause it right now, and when Kira is open, I will show you that. So once Kira opens, you can see your the thing you downloaded, in this case it's a phone case, is into Kira. So just like on your dog tag or anything else you've 3D printed, if you want to, you can mess with twisting it, stuff like that. Otherwise, this one's ready to print. You don't have to move it around. I'm just going to go to Save to Removable Drive, and it's file saved. You can just hit eject. It saved it as iPhone 6 case tree. And when you plug it into the 3D printer, that's what it'll say. That'll be the file you pick. That's pretty easy. It should take you a minute or two to get something off of Thingiverse and onto the 3D printers, and then you print it just like you've printed anything in the past.